So this is a complete step-by-step tutorial in which you will learn how to convert image to video using Runway AI. First of all, search on your browser Runway AI and then open the first website. Here click on get started and log in here with your account. Then click on start a new session from the left panel and make sure Gen 4 is selected from the model drop down. Then upload the image which you want to convert to video. This image will be used as the first frame of your video. Gen 4 supports image to video with multiple aspect ratios. It will automatically select the closest aspect ratio based on your image, but you can adjust it if needed. To guide the motion and storytelling, it's best to provide a text prompt along with your image. It helps to control the subject, the movement and the camera direction. For example, I'll paste here this prompt which I got from ChatGPT. This prompt focuses on a realistic walking action, the atmosphere and cinematic camera behavior. If you'd like, you can experiment with variations of this prompt, such as making the man walk toward the camera or adding a slow pan or zoom depending on the mood you are aiming for. And of course, if you choose not to use a prompt, Gen 4 can still generate stunning animated results using just the image alone. Now select the duration of your video. I'm selecting 10 seconds from here. Now let's just hit generate now and it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to generate your video. I'm on free plan and it used 50 credits to generate my video. Once your generation is done, you can play your video from here. You can even upscale it to 4K, but it will use 20 credits. And to download it, click on the download icon. Then your video will be downloaded in your downloads folder. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.